Hi, I'm Race Myers, your local family chiropractor. Today we're going to talk about the chiropractic adjustment. Chiropractic adjustments are not for pain per se. They're actually to remove interference to the nerve system at the spinal level, but to remove the interference to the nerve system and to change the patterning around the subluxation. Chiropractic adjustment is the correct term to use for what principled chiropractors do. We do not crack, pop, or massage the spine. Adjustments relieve the interference to the nerve system, thus allowing the body to start the healing process. Also, principled chiropractors do not take credit for your body's own natural healing ability. We are trained to locate and correct the interferences to your nerve system. Remember, your body has the natural ability to heal. Once these interferences are removed, your body then can start that healing process. Chiropractic adjustments are for everyone. Please share chiropractic with your friends and family who might be masking or covering up their symptoms. Let them know there's an alternative to relieve their pain and suffering and to allow them to have better health for the future.